Welcome, my people. In today's video, I want to talk about the current happening in the Middle East and how the market's gonna react to it. The forex market. What are we expecting from the markets in a couple of hours, today, couple of days, couple of weeks to come? And as you all know, Iran actually attacked Israel. That was yesterday, being the 7th of June, and this attack has actually been the first ever since the initiation of the ceasefire, which took place in April. And if you guys notice that whenever Iran attack, the market doesn't really react that much compared to whenever Israel attack. Now, something happened yesterday. Israel attacked. Israel retaliated early the hours of today, and you guys know that the market actually begins today around 12 a.m. in the morning. And obviously, immediately Israel attacked, just like as we expected. The market actually responded. So let's just look at what the market did and what are we possibly likely to see in a few couple of days. Now, if you look at my screen right here, you see that this is Bitcoin and currently looking at Bitcoin from the 15 hours. And if you look at it down here, you will see that this is exactly the early hours of today, or rather the late hours of yesterday, which was when the market opened. And this was actually when Israel actually struck Iran. Looking at my screen right here, you see, we actually had a break of channel here, and the market went up before it started going down. Now the market was about to have a pullback until Israel released their missile, and when Israel did, what do you guys see? As you guys can see, there was a short, like you have a market spike starting from 61,000 down to 64,000. Bitcoin responded by moving from 61,000 right from here down to 64,000, as you can see. So it actually went over a 4,000 market movement just because of that single market reaction. Now, if you also look at gold, you see that the gold actually responded also, right? Because gold moved from down from here, which is under for 4,313 down to 4,260. There's over 50 something dollar movement, which is how many pips, So now, what are we actually expecting? And what are we likely to see in the coming number of days, couple of days and next hour? First and first, the inse- the inse- the instability in the Middle East actually begun, and you guys actually know that the way market always reacts that most of that situation happen, the market is always volatile, like it always spike towards direction, but don't know what is going to happen. Then another thing that actually happened that is that the oil actually shoot up to $97. That was about $3 additional $3. Yeah. So now, first thing first, the market might not actually react that very much anymore because it actually made the move, which is from here to here. Understand? That was the first thing first. Then secondly, the market is likely to be volatile. That is simple truth because as you can see right now, it's likely to be responding. The market is made up of people like traders like you and I. But these are people that operate in the institutional level would actually have the money to push the market. So those guys are actually trying to be careful to make sure that the investment doesn't really go just actually go to waste. So they try to look for safe haven to dump their money. So you're likely to notice pretty movement from gold. Like dollar is likely to react, like start pushing up because they will feel like dollar is a safe haven. And when they realize that when they see that it seems like if Israel is like somehow receiving it hot, and US is about to step into the can see that dollar will start dropping. Why good, which people view as more safe haven will start going up. So first thing first, just like I say, the market will definitely not gonna react much anymore because of what happened has happened. What happened has happened, and Bitcoin is likely to continue the upward trend. That's another thing. Likely to continue the upward trend up to around that maybe see around that 90,000 possibly. Then gold is likely to also have a reversal because most people now will start, most investors will start buying gold. Seeing gold as safe haven, they will start dumping their money on gold, and gold will be likely to reverse. And most important thing, expect market volatility because market is likely to shoot towards any direction. And let's just answer what's gonna happen because the peace stock, the peace deal, or the peace stock, whichever it is, they are trying to Israel and US and Iran is trying to start it, the peace deal. The peace deal right now is looking shambolic as it stands now, and we just hope that it happens because if it doesn't happen, obviously the market instability or rather the volatility in the market is likely to take longer um, period of time for market to stabilize. So this is just basically what I'm expecting in the market, and like I always tell you guys, the best type of trading is capital preservation. So you just sit back until you have a perfect setup, um, you take it. And anything you're taking right now, I would advise that you use ATR, ATR average to range, to be able to put your stop loss, because this will help you to mitigate the market volatility so that when such spike happens, it doesn't just take you out and continue the movement. So that's just the guys, and I wish you guys the best of luck. Happy New Week.